Ever faced the Immersive Content Redacted error on Gemini Canvas? You're not alone. This common issue can frustrate creators everywhere. First, understand why this error occurs. It often happens due to conflicts in saved file formats or corrupted data. Next, ensure your software is updated. Outdated versions can trigger unexpected errors and glitches. If the issue persists, try clearing your cache. This simple step can often resolve lingering problems. Lastly, if you still cannot access your content, contact Gemini Canvas support for expert assistance. Remember, recovering lost content is crucial. Regular backups can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Regular updates keep your software running smoothly. Enable automatic updates wherever possible. Use reliable file formats that are less prone to errors. Research the best practices for your content type. Finally, regularly back up your projects to cloud storage. This ensures your work is always safe. By following these steps, you'll reduce the risk of errors and keep your projects safe and secure. Stay proactive, and your creative process will remain uninterrupted. Thank you for watching. For more tips, subscribe and stay tuned.